Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this cordless neck massager, relaxes and loosens muscles with on-off switch and LED indicator, running time 60 minutes, 2 rotating massage heads with 2 rotation speeds, 1 meter's cable and 3 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Relax myself. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Ooh, nice feeling. So soft and smooth. I like it. And inside of course we're gonna find out the power adapter for charging this neck massager. Type-C connection, I like Type-C. The cable length, it is about 1 meter, Type A to Type C. And the power adapter, it is 5 volt, 1 amp, 5 watt power consumption. Okay. Soft, comfy cover with adjustment strap with snap fasteners. 3 position, adjust it, which is better for you. Black and gray color. The controller, the on-off button, green, yellow, red indicator light, clockwise, anti-clockwise rotation button, and low-high rotation speed button. And of course the connection for charging this neck massager. Type-C connection, power adapter, we have a red LED indicator is flashing, that means it's charging. Nice, I like it, it's so cool. The integrated battery makes it ideal for home and travel. With a 2000 mAh battery, 3.7 volt, it takes about 2 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. And after fully charge it, we have a solid red light LED on. Let's unplug. Press and hold for 2 seconds the on-off button. Green light on. And we can see here it's working. Press again this button, clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation button. And the other button for the speed. Slower, faster. Anti-clockwise. And faster. Nice. Well, let's wear it and see how it feels. Press once, it turns off. It is tight enough on my neck. I have made the adjustments. Press and hold the on-off button. It starts. Now, sometimes it's not coming in contact at my neck 100%, so I need to pull from the front just to have a better application. Or I need to lean back and give pressure at the back of my neck for better results. That's how I will have 100% contact with a neck massager. And from the controller, clockwise, anti-clockwise, faster. Nice feeling, I like it. It feels nice. After 5 minutes I'm starting to feel the result. I'm relaxing, loosen the muscles, and in the end it turns off automatically after 15 minutes of continuous work. It is very easy to access all the buttons, 3 buttons, off, on again. It costs only 30 euros, it is portable and you can use it anywhere at any time when traveling at home or office. Oh, that feels nice. If you need that kind of product, for me, thumbs up, just buy it. Definitely, it's doing an amazing job. Enjoy a relaxing afternoon after a hard day at work. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.